What is up, guys? It's your boy Harriet, and I give you the bold, the whole bold, and nothing but the bold. And it's Friday, and you know what that means. It is time for another bold review dito sa ating channel, ang Fridays with BMX session. And today, we are going to take a look at Puri for Rent. Yes, Puri for Rent. Give me rent! Diba yun sa Spider-Man? Give me rent! Ayun. So, yeah. We get... Well, technically, parang yung rent dito is really, hindi naman... Yung kanyang title misleading. Kung tutusin, if you watch the whole movie. Diba? And furthermore, maano ko lang is the I think medyo fun lang yung Puri for Rent na to. Okay? Medyo fun lang siya. Parang yung dating is hindi naman talaga Puri for Rent eh. Okay? Hindi naman niya talaga binenta yung kanyang Puri, kanyang purity, and hindi naman pure yung ating bidang si ano.
Well, there are
other people you know.
Yung ano.
That's a relief. My old captain used to say,
so,
still, since you're...
I'm so confused.
Not at all.
Yung
you're much more observant than most.
That's because everyone has their own unique aura.
Karakter
For
ni
me,
Angelica,
auras are like invisible
Aiko
outlines.
Garcia dito. Hindi naman pure.
You
So,
are,
ito ay kwento ni Nancy, isang convenience store
pretty
worker.
sure.
I know.
At ang kanyang
It's
boyfriend
just that every
na
critical
ginagampanan
moment
ni
we
Mac
share,
Morales
it's
na si
pretty hard to
Benjo,
shake that.
isang security guard.
Please try to
So si
change
Benjo
Okay,
ay isang
I'll
nymphomaniac,
try. Things like
mahilig siya
conversate,
makipagtalik
so if
kay
you're
Nancy.
okay with it, I want
To the point
to
na
remember.
nainis yung landlord ni Nancy
That's enough.
dahil
I've
hindi
your
pa
eyes.
nababayaran yung renta.
Warm.
Like,
with
ito yung
a tinge of
rent. This
nervousness.
is the rent part
Softer
of
than I
this
imagined.
movie.
And there's
Okay?
a steady pull. It's definitely different from EOS.
This is the rent part
You're
of
burned
this
into my
movie.
memory.
Thank you.
Puri for
This
Rent,
time.
yung for rent is ito, yung yung masasabi mo medyo force. Ayun, I think that's the term that I was looking for. Forced. Force its way. So, dahil hindi nabayaran yung renta, mai-evict itong si Nancy sa kanyang tinutuluyang tirahan kasama si Benjo. So, Nancy has to work double time dun sa kanyang pinagtatrabaho ang convenience store at nagkataon umalis yung may-ari. Kaya ang ginawa ni Benjo sa ni Nancy, nagseg sila dun sa ilalim ng bodega ng convenience store. Dumating na maaga yung may-ari, nadatnan sila at nasisante si Nancy at si Benjo. So, and ang pangalan ng store na pinagtatrabahuan ni Nancy ay Aling Puri
Ether vision activate.
Minimart. So, that's the Puri part, I
The
guess.
target's weary.
Yeah.
Target practice.
Not really, it's a nice way to connect connect the dots yung dating, diba? Yung datingan. Ang masasabi ko lang is I think there could be a better title for this feature-length film.
The target's weary.
If you're asking
After this, I can go
something
home, right?
about this, it's pretty much this. Parang dating kasi yung red part. Kasi yung una kong inisip dito, ang red na sinasabi dito is
Full of opening.
diba? Yung sinasabi ni Mr. Ditkovich. Give me rent! Tapos parang dating, binibenta ni Aiko Garcia yung kanyang pure para kaya rent, di ba? Ganun. So, yun. So, yeah. Na-evict at nakipag-break up si Aiko Garcia kay Mac Morales. Nakipag-break si Nancy kay Benjo sa pelikula na to. And what happens after is may nakitang random ad itong si Aiko Garcia sa Facebook. I assume Facebook yun. So, I assume Facebook yun. Okay? And nakita niya parang nagtatanggap ng bagong trabaho si ng panibagong trabaho, okay? Na pwede niya gamitin para mabayaran yung renta niya sa bahay. Pero yung premise ng renta is bigla nawala kasi nangyari, yung tutuluyan niya sa yung magiging trabaho niya bigla is doon na siya titira sa imbes na magrenta na siya, doon na siya tumira doon sa pinagtatrabahuan niya. So, pumasok siya sa domain ni Christoph sa ni Alona. Christoph is played by John Mark Marsha. We recently saw him sa Habal. We also recently saw Roxanne in, I think, last week. Diba? Or was it, kailan ba nagkaroon ng Roxanne de Vera? I think last week. Ay, hindi. Bago niya to. Okay. Yeah. Queenie pala yun. Queenie. Yeah, Roxanne de Vera. And they are a couple na kailangan daw ng pamparausan yung pinsan ni Christoph na si Jasper, played by Van Allen Ong. If you remember Van Allen Ong, he is the guy sa High on Sex Season 2. And when it comes to, magaling umarte, siya na yun. Okay? Siya yung magiging, I can say I have pretty much confidence na he can be both gay and straight at the same time. Okay. So, una, tumanggi itong si Nancy na tanggapin yung trabaho kasi parausan lang ang dating Yung siya ay magiging parausan ni Jasper kasi si Jasper nambabato ng random temper tantrums sa pamamahay na to. Yung bahay na to medyo malaki, parang ito ata yung bahay ni Ramon Montenegro sa Batang Quiapo Okay? And nung nadat na naman ni Aiko, nagte-temper tantrum itong si Jasper. Pero ang dating is hindi naman temper tantrum, lang siya, nababad trip lang siya sa buhay. Diba? Yun yung masasabi ko. That's what I just observe sa situation. So, di mo mabiblame kung yun talaga yung nakita, yun yung na-observe ko. Pero, ang say ko lang, yun yung na-observe ko, okay? Can't say much sa nangyari dun sa can't say much, to be honest. Yung what I've observed, hindi naman nag-temper tantrum The most temper tantrum is that nangingialam itong si Nancy kasi si Jasper naka-wheelchair or something. Then may sakit. Nancy is like the goat, diba? It is what it is. Okay. So, kalaunan pumayag itong si Jasper na maging parausan niya itong si Aiko, si Nancy, and Aiko kalaunan pumayag din siya na okay, yeah, we're gonna do this. Pero ang decision pala kasi is imbes na maging parausan, maging parang magkaibigan sila. At tawag doon, how can I describe this in a way that is not confusing? We got they had an off-screen agreement na pinakita rin later on screen na papayag si Jasper na maging
There's no time to lose.
personal mate niya si Nancy. Tapos hindi magpo-fall si Nancy kay Jasper. Get that? Kasi nagustuhan ni Jasper yung ugali ni Nancy na pagiging strong woman. Okay? And because of that, Jasper had a mood swing. Napagpasyahan na
My
ayun,
blade is already sheathed.
maybe he was a little bit hard on Nancy
There's
to
more
the point
battle.
na Jasper made a second consideration. So, it's a mutual feeling, ladies and gentlemen. Mayag si Nancy na magiging kakampi niya si,
The cold is
maging
silent.
maid siya, personal maid. Hindi naman para usan, parang maid lang si Jasper and Nancy. Ayun, kasi yung parang caretaker yun dati. So, Nancy, indeed, now is living in that mansion. So, the rent part of Fury for Rent is pretty much eliminated.
Take a shot. Ether vision activate.
Sa unang pa lang. Sa unang sabi pa lang, okay? Parang yung purpose, like I said in the beginning of this review, it doesn't make sense anymore. Kasi di na niya binibili yung uri niya para paano yung renta niya. Okay? Yun yung napansin ko lang.
Recalibrating.
And why not? Why not criticize it? I mean, ito din naman the film, okay? So, what's up with that? Okay, so sa isang camping session, Jasper and Nancy had some fun.
Suppressing fire.
And napansin ni Jasper na nagdaan sa kay Nancy. And he immediately imagined himself having sex with Nancy. And ayun, he touched himself sa campsite.
Song move, everyone.
Ether vision activate.
So upon touching herself sa campsite, touching himself sa campsite, eh napansin naman to ni Nancy. So nahuli siya, bakit hindi activate itong lokong si Jasper. And that part kind of moves kasi
My song is with you.
tinanggap ni Nancy na yung kanyang kapalaran maging she knows that this man has something really
Sustaining fire.
really special. Okay, I don't know the last term. How do I call it? Something good dito naman kay Jasper. And when it comes to
target practice,
Jasper, the feeling is mutual. So mutual na yung si K-Stop saka si Roxanne or si Alona, eh napansin nila na nagiging parang close na
Get behind me. Recalib Sniper's Creed.
sina
One shot,
Jasper
one
saka
kill.
si Nat sa isa't isa. So they tried to set it up. Yeah, yung mismo nag-hire kina Alona
Time to end
at
this.
Jasper, eh sila rin yung deals ng pelikula nito. Sila yung naging kontrabida. Okay? Di ko alam kung doesn't make sense ba? Hindi, ganun nangyari eh.
Show no mercy.
So, pagbigyan nyo na, okay?
target
Puro
practice.
naman,
Got you covered. Time to pin them down.
Don't worry. Let our souls.
siguro naman, patay sila rin maaga. Siguro naman, di ba? Tama lang naman na kasi preloader sa bahay nila, di ba? Si Nancy. Ang dating kasi, gusto nila isangkot si Nancy or i-frame si Nancy sa isang krimen para makuha lahat ni Kristoff ng yaman. So, they set up Nancy and they set up Jasper. So, Nancy was allured by Alona. They had lesbian legs to each other. Okay, si Alona sa kasi. Tapos, sumama dito si John Mark Marsha, si Kristoff. And bigla na lang sumigaw ng the R word, the one that rhymes with ape, itong si Nancy. And then, andun si Jasper, nakatingin sa labas, and said, yeah, I know your plan, at alam kong masama ka kuya, Kristoff. And the movie ends with the two, yung nagparent, yung nag-hire kay Nancy at kay Nancy na maging parauso ni Jasper, na aresto sila for the R word. Okay, the R word. Sorry guys, ayoko ma-demonetize pero doon nahuli itong yung dalawa. It turns out, habang din-discuss kasi ng dalawa yung plano, nag-i-eavesdrop pala itong si Nancy sa kanila at sinumbong na niya kagad kay Jasper yung mangyayari. And kailangan nilang masakdal si Kristoff sa kasing Alona together, so they devised this plan. Okay? So, hindi naman puri for rent ang nangyari, naging puri for bait. Okay. And ayun, that's puri for rent. May kwento naman siya, okay? May kwento naman siya. So, and yung mga seg scene, it's Aiko Garcia. So, it's very good. Roxanne did good with John Mark Marsha. I'm not new face of Viva Max ito si Roxanne. She did good on her mature scenes. Although kasi Aiko to, so there's no nipple sucking. So, sorry na lang, okay? But, all in all, na-enjoy ko yung pelikula to. I just had a hard time explaining it. Kasi yung title pa lang, Puri for Rent. It's like, this must be na yung kanyang puri for rent, diba? Na, prostitute siya. Or, yung rent, mabayaran niya, gamit yung kanyang puri, diba? Nagbibenta niya yung sarili niya. Hindi yung tipong puri for rent, tapos yung rent part, i-abandon mo na para maging parausan, tapos doon ka titira sa mansyon, like a fake marriage or something. Para si Kingsley Falcon saka si Charlotte Sinclair. Yeah. Okay, so yeah. But I'm going to say Puri for Rent, story is peak, action is weak. So I'm going to do this Puri for Rent week.
That's me.
So tune in. I think the next BMX movie will be on kailan ba? The next BMX movie will be on Friday next week. Bangkera. Ayun. Micaela Ras, okay? And Jaja Zubel. Jaja Zubel ulit. Magaling siya sa Elevator Lady. So, Micaela Ras pa. Yung ano niya, di ba? Yan. So, thank you for watching. Like niyo, subscribe to the channel. This is Harriet, the whole bold, the whole bold, and nothing but the bold. Good bold and good night.